All right, peeps, we have had the first payout of the delayed credits this morning. You guys may remember from the previous video, I was the first one to drop a couple payments for purchases of the delayed credit. So now that it started paying out, we are at the top of the morning on the 29th. So you guys that have purchased it will see all of your purchases here. So back on August the 30th, I made these two purchases here, 100 and 101, and it's showing I would either get 120% in credits or 105% in Bitcoin, and gives the amount as well, signaling that the payout will be completed on September the 29th. Well, today is September the 29th, and at the top of the morning, those payments have come in. So all of the information in this section continues to remain the same as a history of your purchases. Now, when it comes to the fulfillment of those purchases, you will find that in one of these two buckets here, right? So if it pays out in Bitcoin, it will be here. If it pays out in credits, it will be here. There's no view icon for the payout in credits because it was paid out in Bitcoin. And to see the full details of it, we just click on that view icon, and again we see here it occurred this morning, right at the top of the morning, and the time that it was purchased, those purchase IDs, the amount that was purchased, which you can equate to the previous section there, the percentage of earnings, the net earnings that we received from it, and the total amount of Bitcoin received. So if you add these two numbers together, or add all of the numbers received of Bitcoin received, it will equate to this amount here. And once again, guys, as always, to get this amount of Bitcoin here, you can always copy all of these numbers together and add them, and they will equate to that amount right there. Okay, so I just wanted to drop this video real quick, and we are still doing good on the trading. Everybody should continue to receive payments in Bitcoin, so we maintain a good position there. And got some other things in the kitchen that are cooking, guys, that I should be releasing within the next few days, but I'm waiting on some other things that are kind of outside my control right now. So has nothing to do with this aspect of it right here. It's just something else that you guys very well may be interested in. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holla on the next one. Peace out.